Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss about the database crashed. Suppose in this organization, the strategy of taking the backup is every Sunday full backup at 3 p.m. It's checking for the databases. Every day differential backup is going on at 3 p.m. and log backup is going on every hour. So the condition is database got crashed on Thursday at 10 p.m. So how can we restore that database? Sorry, that's not backup. No? How can we restore that DB if your database got crashed Thursday at 10 p.m.? So what is the strategy? Every Sunday 3 p.m. full backup is going on. Every day differential backup 3 p.m. and every hour log backup. So we need to restore that database which is got crashed at Thursday 10 p.m. So Thursday, okay. So what are the days we have? Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So Sunday we have full backup, latest available full backup. So we need to take latest available full backup on Sunday with no recovery. This is our first step. We have to take the latest available full backup on Sunday with a no recovery because we have the full backup on the last Sunday 3 p.m. So we have taken 3 p.m. latest available full backup on Sunday. The next every day. So on Sunday we have taken 3 p.m. So after that Monday differential backup run, then Tuesday differential backup run, then Wednesday Wednesday differential backup have run, and our database crashed on Thursday 10 p.m. So Thursday 3 p.m. the last differential backup 3 p.m. have run. 3 p.m. Thursday. So we have to take in the second step. T Thursday differential backup differential backup 3 p.m. with no recovery. So the latest differential backup we have only available for Thursday 3 p.m. After that database got crashed at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. So from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. we have to take the log backup. From 3 now log backup. We need to take the log backup from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. log backup with no recovery. Recovery. Okay, now why I'm doing this from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. From 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. one long backup. From 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. one log backup. From 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. log backup. From 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. From 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So these are all the log backups we have to take with no recovery. And the last log backup, we need to take with recovery 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. So the last log backup we need to take with recovery. And if the tail log backup is there, if it's accessible, then we need to take the tail log backup with recovery, the last one. But this is the strategy is fine. We have to take the latest available full backup on Sunday with no recovery. After that, Sunday, every day the differential backup is running. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Thursday, 3 p.m. differential backup have run. We have taken the latest differential backup on 3 p.m. Thursday with no recovery. After that, every hour from 3 p.m. till 10 p.m. we have to take the log backup. But in that, till 9 p.m. we need to take the no recovery log backup, and after that 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. we need to take that log backup with recovery. And if the tail log backup is accessible, then we need to take that tail log backup. If the database got crashed, then if the tail log backup is accessible, then we need to take that tail log backup with recovery, and before that 9 to 10 p.m. with no recovery. So these are the strategy we are doing when any database got crashed. We have seen, first we observed the strategy of taking the backups, then we decided how we take the backups. So this is one of the most important interview questions. The interviewer asks this type of questions. You will get this is a mandatory interview questions. It will be helpful. So here till 10 p.m. we have taken the log backup with the recovery. If the tail log backup is accessible, then we need to take the tail log backup with the recovery, and before that we need to take 9 to 10 p.m. with no recovery. So don't get confused. Till now you can see that full backup, differential backup, and the log backup. So in this way we have restored that crashed databases. So if you like this video, so please subscribe to DBA Guardians. And if you want to do the courses of the full SQL DBA, or if you want to prepare, or you are switching from one company to another company, I can able to give you the interview related documents and the advices and strategies. So thank you so much.